These giant green plantations produce millions of bananas every year, helping Brazil rank among the world's largest banana producers. Warm temperatures, abundant rainfall, and fertile soil create the perfect conditions for banana cultivation across Brazil. Before planting begins, farmers carefully prepare the soil to ensure strong root development and healthy banana growth. Instead of seeds, bananas are grown from young shoots called suckers, which quickly establish new plants. Consistent irrigation keeps banana plants hydrated, especially during periods of reduced rainfall. Banana plants grow remarkably fast, reaching impressive heights within just a few months. Large leaves capture sunlight efficiently, supplying the energy needed to produce future fruit. Months after planting, a large flower appears, marking the beginning of banana production. Small bananas begin forming in rows known as hands, gradually creating enormous bunches. Protective covers shield developing bananas from insects, weather damage, and excessive sunlight. After several months of growth, banana bunches reach harvest size. The Brazilian banana industry generates $3 billion annually, making Brazil the undisputed leader. But this success comes with challenges like water scarcity and diseases like fusarium wilt, black sigatoka, and banana bunchy top. Harvest day requires teamwork, precision, and careful handling to protect the fruit. Workers carefully cut the banana plant while supporting the heavy fruit bunch. Each bunch can weigh dozens of kilograms, requiring strength and coordination to move safely. Many farms use overhead cable systems to move harvested bananas efficiently. Once harvested, the bananas are quickly transported from the fields to nearby processing facilities. Inside the factory, every banana passes through strict quality inspections before processing begins. The bananas are thoroughly washed to remove dust, soil, and any impurities from the harvest. Specialized machines then peel the bananas efficiently while minimizing waste. Next, precision slicers cut the bananas into thin, evenly sized pieces for consistent cooking. Automated systems inspect every slice, ensuring only the highest quality pieces continue through production. The slices are then carefully fried until they become perfectly crisp and golden. After frying, the chips are cooled to preserve their crunchy texture. Depending on the recipe, the chips may be lightly salted or coated with special seasonings. Quality control teams continuously test the chips to ensure every batch meets strict standards. The finished chips are packaged, sealed, and prepared for distribution around the world. From tropical plantations to advanced factories, Brazil transforms simple bananas into the crispy snack enjoyed by millions every day. If you like this incredible journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more agriculture journeys.